Let's look how we can unpivot a table. Basically, unpivot is the reverse of pivot and transforms columns into rows. The table labeled Sales 4 has 3 rows and includes these columns: year, Q1 sales through Q4 sales, and yearly sales. Let's say we want to have a row for each year and quarter pair by rotating the quarter columns into rows. You can do this easily by using the onPivot function and the from clause of the select statement. Let's look at the syntax for doing this. In this example, we specify the column heading of the measure output as sales. In the for clause, we specify the pivot column, quarter sales, and the in list. We are providing the columns that we want transformed into rows. Let's run the onPivot query. Notice that our onPivot query returns 12 rows from our 3-row table, and it has returned not 6, but 3 columns called year, quarter sales, and sales. It transformed the columns in the in list into row values for our pivot column, quarter sales. And the sales output is by year and quarter sales. In this video, we covered how to unpivot a table which transforms columns into rows.